Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to study about rolling and types of rolling mills. Before that, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. So now enter the class. So rolling is a process of to reduce the cross section area of large section. So now if you consider this is a one material or one metal, if you pass in between two rollers, thereby reducing diameter and increasing length. This is a process of rolling. This is a rolling diagram. So there are two rollers rotating in opposite direction. If we pass one material, so now consider this is a one material is passed in between these two rollers at that time, thereby reducing diameter and increasing length. So length is increases and diameter will be decreases. This is the purpose of rolling. By the rolling process, we can manufacture different products that such as flat products or according our required products. So whatever the shapes of rollers, we can manufacture different types of roller shapes. For that, we can manufacture different types of shapes. So that is the rolling process. Now coming to the types of rolling mills. So we have different types of rolling mills or rollers for different applications. There are 2 high mill, 3 high mill, 4 high mill, tandem mill, cluster mill. So we want to study step by step. So first 2 high mill. 2 high mill is a process. It consists of a two rollers are rotating in opposite direction. So same as a rolling process. So there is no difference between rolling and 2 high mill. So because here also two rollers. So one is rotating, both are rotating opposite direction. In between we pass a metal and thereby reducing the diameter and increasing the length. So this is the purpose of 2 high mill. So now if you consider, if you take the 3 high mills, so here 3 rollers are there. They are same in diameter. So they are rotating. That means the top and bottom rollers are rotating same direction and middle one rotates in opposite direction. See the diagram how it is. So that means the material is passed in between here. First enters the bottom to the middle and it passes again bottom to the upper roller. So then thereby reducing the diameter. See the top roller and bottom rollers are rotating same direction and middle one rotates in opposite direction. This is a 3 high mill. So because we are using three rollers here, so top and bottom rotating in opposite direction, same direction, and middle one rotating in opposite direction. So first the material enters from the bottom and middle and there is reduced in diameter somewhat. So again this one is enters in between the middle and upper roller. So thereby reducing the diameter and increasing the length more when compared to the 2 high mill. So this is the 2 high mill. So now coming to the 4 high mill. So in 4 high mill there is 2 big rollers and 2 small rollers. So the total workpiece is contacting the two small rollers. See how it is. So just supporting the large rollers. So the large rollers are just to support the small rollers. So why? Because if the material is entering it fast, at that time there is a vibrations. So in order to avoid these vibrations, so there is a top rollers, that means big rollers. So just to support in order to avoid the vibrations. So that is the purpose. So the rollers are, these two rollers are rotating in opposite direction, these two rollers are rotating in opposite direction. That means rotating each other. That means opposite directions they are rotating to each other. Understood? This is the 4 high mill. So here the rollers are rotating in opposite direction to with each other. Now coming to the tandem mill. So in these rollers are arranged in series. So there are side by side they are arranged. So at that time the material is passed from these first rollers to the then enters into the second, third and fourth. So in each rollers they are reducing somewhat diameter. So in between there is a reduction is somewhat and then again there is a somewhat material reduced diameter and at last finally there is a reduction in diameter and increase in length. So this is the arrangement of tandem mill. So they are in series. They are connected in side by side. So we can connect n number of rollers for different products. So this is a tandem mill. So now coming to the cluster mill. Cluster mills are same as to the 4 high mill. So there are, because there only 4. here there is 6 rollers. So here also there is a small rollers is 2 and big rollers 4. So that small rollers only directly contact to the material. So here also the same purpose. If any vibrations they occurs in doing the process, at that time there is a 2 and there is a upper side to lower side to. In order to avoid this, there is a support to the small rollers. So this is the purpose of cluster mill. So the material is processed in between small rollers, and there is a reduction in diameter and increase in length. So just these are rollers are just to support the small one. So these are rollers are rotated opposite direction with each other. That means if it is rotating this direction clockwise, this is opposite direction anti-clockwise. So each other they are rotating in opposite direction. So this is a cluster mill. So thank you for watching video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment. So I'm asking again, if you have any doubts in any section, please ask in commentary section, or else if you want any topic, please add in commentary section. I will explain you. Thank you for watching this video.